Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're finally going to get back to this heater box. Finally got the core here, and we're going to be putting it back together. So it's been a while since I took it out, so I'm excited to get it put back together and get it back in the car. I don't know that I'll put it back in the car in this video because I got to get some insulation for behind it. I don't have that yet, but we'll at least get the box put back together. All right, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Alrighty, so I got the camera set up. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So we're going to just start. This is my little homemade backing plate that I made here. It's supposed to be like this, it's almost like fiberboard or something. Mine was all rotted, so I just made one out of cardboard, painted it black. Works pretty good. So we're just going to flip this over. I'll try to get it to where y'all can see. And here's our new heater core. This one comes from Four Seasons. It's aluminum instead of copper, and hopefully it'll be a good one. So we're just going to start. Just slide it in. There's a little bracket that goes back here that holds your ground on. We got to make sure we remember to put it on. Well, we're going to bind here somewhere. There we go. Oh, I forgot this stupid bracket. Alright, so we got it all put in. We got all 4 bolts in it. This plate still is not going on. It's just hitting on the pipe, so I guess I'll just try to get a screw in it and leave it like it is. I got this little bracket here we got to put on that holds your that holds your tubes down even, and it also has the ground that goes on the back side. And then you got 1 bolt, and then you got 1 bolt that goes in the top right here. It's a little uneven, but hopefully it'll go through the firewall no problem. Alright, so now we got our air flap. And then the cover. the cover kind of has got a groove in it, kind of snaps together. And then you got these clips. I like to get them on the corners first just to hold everything in place. If you have trouble getting them on, take a flat head and put it in that little groove, and it kind of gives you leverage to push. Some of them go on easy, some of them don't. Just kind of pry and push. You don't want to, just be careful because you don't want to slip out and go through your box. That would not be good. Before we go any further, I'm going to work this air flap, make sure it moves freely. And it's in a bind. Alright, so let's take them off. Alrighty, so I took this back apart and greased that flap some, and it's moving nice and smooth now. So let's keep putting them back together. Then we got 3 more on the bottom. And of course I'm missing one. Alrighty, so we're all finished up. I am missing one clip. I got a whole bag of them somewhere, but I don't know where they're at, so whenever I find them, I'll put it on there. I took the one off this corner right here and put it on the bottom right there. So that'd be a little bit easier to get to. I can just, it's right here at the heater, I can just pop it on whenever I find them. But it's all done. Just got to get it put back in the car now. I took a rag and kind of wiped it off. I'm going to do a little bit better job. There's still some dust on it, but I wiped the front off. I'll get the top before I put it back in the car. But that'll wrap this video up. Just a quick demonstration on how to put a heater core in. It's a lot easier with the box off. Not even sure why anybody would attempt to do it on the car. It's just 3 extra bolts. Super simple. But got one more thing checked off the list. We got to get our insulation put on the firewall, and we'll get this put back on the car. All right, see you next time.